Welcoming the new Premier, who is also the provincial chairperson of PCA, Lazarus Mokhosi, and Health MEC Sello Lehari, the council emphasized the importance of implementing strategic plans to reduce the rising number of people who get infected with HIV, especially amongst men. PCA believes that adopting people who are living with HIV and AIDS to encourage others will yield positive results.
We want to see him making sure that these MECs under him, they employ people who are living with HIV. How do you want me to take treatment on an empty stomach? Let us use this police crime prevention method, where you use the thieves to catch a thief. We are using people who are living with HIV to encourage people who are living with HIV to take treatment, to stay on treatment, and for them to do serious health talks.
The council has welcomed the declining number of people testing HIV positive, but has expressed concern over the rising number of men testing positive.
Most of the decline, even the HIV prevalence, it's mainly with the young people between the age of 15 to 35, 35 to 59, mainly females. Men, especially men sleeping with men or men having sex with men. HIV prevalence is going very much up because men are not testing in majority.
Some of the men in the community say some of their peers are still struggling with the HIV stigma.
My reason for testing is me knowing what's my status, and so that I can protect the people that are in my life, especially my partner, in my life, me, myself, my healthiness. And the other one is because of at work. I will always travel different countries, so we always have to know our statuses.
The reason maybe why they are afraid to go and test or to check their status because of recently some of those people who are affected, they have been isolated by their relatives and their families. That's why maybe men are afraid to go and test.
Meanwhile, a civic organization, Angels of Tomorrow, has made a plea to the provincial government to invest in non-profit organizations that are fighting the scourge of HIV and AIDS to help manage challenges like the shortage of HIV treatment medication.
We are faced with serious challenges whereby there's lack of medication in clinics and POs that implement HIV and AIDS programs are not funded. As Northwest Civil Society Forum, we will make sure that we meet with the Premier and the Council to seek support for this program and for women organizations to be mentored and supported.
The council has pleaded with people living with HIV to avoid defaulting on treatment when they feel better. Tabang Murutla, SABC News, Mahikeng.